Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching extensions to your hair and prepping the base because a secure anchor prevents slipping. Once done, section a 1-2-inch band at the nape and smooth. Position the clip base flat against your scalp so the teeth grip hair. Snap the clip closed and tug gently to test hold. If it moves, add one pin through the weft into your natural hair. Make sure placement sits at the ponytail line. This sets a stable foundation for the high ponytail. You now build volume by stacking wefts progressively higher. Place a second clip above the first, then a third, spacing about 1/2 to 1 inch apart so weight distributes evenly. Once done, gather your natural hair plus the added wefts into a high pony and secure with a firm elastic. Make sure the elastic sits above the top weft for lift. Then smooth leftover weft edges and wrap a strand of hair around the elastic, pinning underneath to conceal seams, and create a poly. You finish by checking feel and balance. Adjust pins and spray lightly to lock everything in place. If slipping occurs, move the lowest clip slightly lower toward the nape, add a small internal elastic around the natural hair, then reclasp clips, or remove a heavy weft to reduce weight. Once stable, wrap and pin hair around the elastic, curl ends for blending, and perform a final comfort check. Remember, tension should be firm but not painful. Loosen a bit if you feel strain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.